On today's body cam, we're checking out she refused to cooperate. Then this happened.
What the?
A routine stop turned into a felony nightmare. Watch how this traffic stop escalated completely out of control.
Don't light up the cigarette. Put that out. Turn the car off.
The disrespect. Don't light up the cigarette. She proceeds to light it up.
What happened?
I'm stopping because I saw you just drink that liquor bottle, the shot.
No.
Yep, saw you put it in your mouth and tilt your head back.
Okay.
Where'd you put the shot at?
Do you have warrant?
I'm stopping you because you have an unlawful tag cover. It's
What
tinted.
tag cover?
The tag cover over your plate that's tinted.
No.
Obstructs the visibility of your plate. Plus, you can't be in possession of an open container while operating the vehicle.
No open container.
I saw you drink it.
I have.
It was a small shot-sized bottle. You put it in your mouth, tilt your head back. I saw the liquid go into your mouth. It was a like a orangish or a yellowish liquor.
Okay.
And I can smell the alcohol.
Listen, this is what you're gonna do.
I don't think you're gonna tell me what to do. I need your driver's license, registration, and insurance. How much have you had to drink today?
Not enough.
Not enough. Come on out after you grab the documents.
Please don't.
What do you mean?
For one,
No. Grab your driver's license, your registration
have
and
my-
insurance, and step on out of the vehicle.
yeah, I'm calling my husband now before I get out the car.
No, I need you to grab your
No,
registration and
no,
insurance.
sir. No, sir. No, sir. I'm calling my husband.
Step out.
I'm calling my husband.
Step out.
No, you have my license.
Now you're under arrest for
You're
battery.
touching me.
Ooh. Ooh.
Back.
What the?
How many give me 33? Give me a unit.
What the?
See, he not playing, man. I like this. I like that energy, man. That's great energy, you know? Listen, no nonsense cop. Not putting up with your foolishness. I'm calling my husband. Listen, your husband isn't going to get you out of these handcuffs right here, man. You going to jail, man.
Get your foot off my back. You had to put your foot on my back?
After you slap me, yeah.
I didn't slap you.
It's on camera. You're under arrest for battery on a law enforcement officer resisting. Step up.
How do I step?
And by the way, this is the liquor bottle that I saw you drink.
Good. That one.
Can't be
That one shot.
Can't be in possession of an open container.
Get up. Get me up.
Put your butt up.
No, let me go.
No.
You ain't got to do me like this.
Step up. I'm trying to get you
I
off the
can't
ground.
step up.
Put your legs in front
I
of you.
can't step up. You don't know my...
Put your legs in front of you. Step up. Step up.
Her leg is under the car. Oh, okay.
Listen.
Walk over to the car.
No.
Stop.
What the f I do wrong?
Resisted me.
Get my... No.
Possessed an open container.
No.
While you're
What did I do?
operating your vehicle with
Listen,
a...
I'm on the way home.
I don't care.
Listen,
Okay.
that was nothing.
Well, so 115 for battery on
Move.
and resisting.
Give me my, I need to call my husband.
You ain't calling nobody.
Get my wallet off the floor.
Not right now. So,
Looks, you were one of the ones. I have a lawyer,
Good.
Jason Hicks.
Okay.
Call him.
I don't need to.
Get off of me. Man, this
No,
is
you're
bullshit.
under arrest for battery on a law enforcement officer, resisting.
Because I touch you, you touch me.
Because you slapped me, yes.
I didn't slap
On
you.
camera. So,
Show me I know.
you'll get a copy of it in your court date.
No.
Stop trying to pull yourself off the car.
No, I'm not. I don't want you to pull yourself off of me. I'm diabetic.
Okay. Right now, you need to calm down and relax.
Get off my arm. You choking me?
No, I'm pushing you against the car.
Listen,
Oh,
back
yes, you
up
want.
off of me,
We're in the
sir.
parking lot of the Dollar
Mr.
General.
Lutz, you don't have to hold your hand on me. I have Costo Condrive.
Considering you're resisting,
Costo
I
Condrive. No, I want you off of me.
I don't care. You're not
You
going
don't
anywhere.
care?
Stay right there.
You ain't got to pull me like that.
I don't want you to go anywhere, and you keep trying to pull your body off the car.
Listen, I want you off of me.
I don't care what you want. I'm telling you what to do.
Listen.
Not right now.
No, I can't see. Now you're violating my civil rights.
No, I'm not.
I can't see. Those are my eyeglasses.
Okay, well, I'm not going to lean over in front of you.
Those are my eyeglasses. You're stopping me from seeing, sir. I want my eyeglasses.
Basically.
I want. Now, do this. I want my eyeglasses.
All right, give me a few. All right. Calm down. We'll figure something out.
That's what you got.
Okay. Like I said, you're under arrest. I'm going to tell you your constitutional rights.
My wallet is on the...
Trying to help you out, okay? All right. We obviously got off on the wrong foot. Okay. Let's try to talk. See the finger? Here's what I'm going to have you do. I'm going to have you follow and track the finger. The finger is going to go back and forth in front of your vision. All I want you to do is
just follow.
It's over. Failed. 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 Failed.
Follow the finger and not move your head.
Time. Come on.
Understand?
Come on.
All right. Follow and track the tip of the finger. Don't move your head.
She thinks she doing real good too.
I'll try it. Don't walk yet. I just want you to assume the stance.
Try back on Sunday.
So if you're not walking yet, just kind of stand in that stance right now, okay?
Listen, I'm diabetic. You're making me very nervous.
Sorry about that. My concern is your ability to operate the vehicle.
Okay, I'm good.
So left foot on the line, right foot in front of it, heel touching in front. Right foot goes in front though.
I can't. I have nerve damage.
In your arm?
Yes.
It's going to affect your legs.
And I'm diabetic.
You told me that. I get that.
And right now my sugar is low. Daddy, look at my license.
I'm going to put you back in cuffs. Can you turn around for me?
No, y'all gonna... Please call my husband.
Put your hands on your back for me. Cooperate. I'll let you make some phone calls.
Okay, wait a minute. I'll cooperate.
Well, then stop tensing
No,
your
I'll
arm.
cooperate.
Alright, so I'm going to charge you with DUI based upon you not being willing to complete the field sobriety test, okay?
No, because you didn't let me. No. I know. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What the... What the...
You didn't use force.
What the... Oh, no. Oh, no.
When's the last time you think she's been picked up? How many years ago you think that was? She's been picked up, man. She's like, what the F?
You didn't use force. Charge you with DUI based upon you not being willing to complete the field sobriety test, okay?
No, because you didn't let me. No. I know. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
See, these boys are strong right here.
What the...
You didn't use force.
What the... Oh, no. Oh, no.
She's got a flexi in. Okay. You good? Back up. I got him. Ready? Yep.
Hey! Hey! Hey!
After the arrest, she was convicted on these charges: battery on an officer, DUI, second offense, refusal to test. The result, 2 years of state probation. Drop a comment.
ShyGotEm reaction. You know it's a hit. Drunk drivers failing under the street lamps.
Yeah, watch the footage, don't miss the stamps.
Let me know what you think of the chase.
ShyGotEm.
We out.